Okay, I'm Craig, aka Huckaberry. This is going to be an unboxing video with a lousy camera and crappy lighting, and a person that don't know much about anything. This came in the mail today. It's a Tronxy 3D printer. It's supposed to be large version with auto bed leveling. So, let's see what we got. Styrofoam. Alright. We have one power cord. Needs wired. Zip ties, cable wrap, and belt. This should not be in here. This is a Bowden tube for a Bowden extractor and print head. So, plus and a minus. This is the Tronxy motherboard. Or Tronxy, whatever you call it. There's a little micro USB with a SD card in it. 8 gig. Should have the directions on it. These are the pre-printed, guess supposed to be the Z-axis. Hopefully they're not warped like I've seen other videos. USB cable, micro switches, wires for all the motors. Giant bag of assorted bolts and goodies. That'll be fun. Little bag springs. I assume these are probably for the bed. This is the acrylic one. It is really thick. It's dirty. So we'll find out. A sheet of wrinkled up painter's tape, which I ain't going to use because I ordered a nice bed cover. It's the aluminum hotbed. Wires are soldered on. That's good. Oh, some miscellaneous little plastic pieces. And that's it for level 1. Kind of hard holding with one hand and moving all this crap around, so bear with me. Oh, yay. Almost got it. Throw this back in here. Record back in there. It has an E on it. I'm betting this is the P08 802E, which is not the auto level one. The auto level one is a P802MA. Alright, part 2. This is the spool holder and a bunch of other printed pieces. It's the main frame. Oh, I get 2 screwdrivers, a couple Allen wrenches, and a piece of somebody's plumbing. Nice. Alright. See if I can dig out the last level. Alright. There's the LED display and push buttons. I've actually ordered a 1.4 Rants board with the newer display with the twist dial that I plan to upgrade to eventually. There's my extruder, Bowden extruder. It's all the motors. There's the print head, and it is a Bowden. And as you can see, I do not see an auto level sensor anywhere in here. So, I got a Bowden extruder head, which is probably better because I can buy a cheap level. And this should be the power supply. Ribbons. Alright, So that's it for now. Rods and what have you. Hopefully nothing's bent. This thing will go together. So I'm gonna try to piece this thing together, update as I go. So thanks for stopping by. We'll see what happens. Most it'll do is burst into flames and kill me and burn the house down. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.